welcome to this episode of A Closer Look. My name is Sandra Almqvist, and with me today I have our product specialist, Fredrik. Welcome.
Yeah,
do you want to tell everyone who you are first to begin with?
So I'm Fredrik Ransell. I'm working as head of product marketing for Top Hammer and handheld rock drilling tools.
Yeah. And during these episodes, we usually take a closer look at some products. And do you want to tell us what it is that we're going to have a closer look at today?
Yeah, so today we will go through the entire T drill string from Epiroc.
Yeah. And just quickly, before we go into details, can you just tell us what's actually included in the product family for the Epiroc T drill string?
Yeah, so the T drill string, it's ranging from the T35, T38, T45, T51 and T60, or TW60 as we call it now, and that is the big ones you see here in front of you.
Yeah, and we should mention that the TW60 is actually what previously was called TWIS60, isn't
Yes,
it? We
correct.
just shortened the name down just to clarify that. And like you said, we have the different range of bits here with us today.
Yeah.
Moving on to what kind of applications can you actually work with these products on?
Yeah. So typically the smaller T35, T38, T45 you can find in the quarry applications, while the larger threads like T51 and especially the TW60, those ones are more in the surface mining range. So yeah, we are reaching a lot of different customers with this product family.
Going into a bit more details then, usually when we do a closer look, we look into the three main benefits.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell us just quickly what the three main benefits will be for these?
Yeah, for sure. So I would say that the first benefit is that you get more drill meters every day, meaning your productivity. The second benefit is much higher service life. And the third main benefit is how easy it is to actually change your rods due to the T thread profile.
There you have it. Those are the three main benefits. We're going to go into more details with each one of them. So if we start with the first one, you mentioned more drilled meters.
Yeah.
How can we actually promise our customers that?
Yeah, I think that is one of the benefits almost every customer is looking for: more drill meters, more productivity. And I would say all of these three main benefits are interlinked to some extent. So the main reason why you get more drill meters is because you can continue to drill. You don't get the amount of breakages with this T drill string that you would get with other drilling systems. And the main reason for that is because we have the absolute most toughest material. So that tough material can actually absorb all the energy from the rock drill. If you don't have a tough material, you will get bending in the drill string. And that will cause a lot of bending stress into the material that will eventually cause some premature failure of the rod, for example. So that is why you can keep on drilling when you're using this system.
You mentioned tough here. Some people would say that we have the toughest thread in the market. Is that true?
I would definitely say it's true. Yeah.
Good. Moving on to the second benefit, you talked about longer service life. Can you talk us through that a bit more?
Yeah. So again, as we said with that first benefit, one of the main reasons why you actually have to change a rod is that the rod snaps, it breaks. And that is because of all the energy that goes through the drill string. So when you have this tough material, you don't get that bending in the hole, and the energy can really go through the rod, through the shank, through the rod, and all the way through the drill bit and get into the rock itself. So that is why you can really keep on drilling with the system and don't get those premature failures.
And does it matter which rig you use and the force that you have on it, or?
I would say that all of our Epiroc rock drilling tools are perfectly matched and engineered with our rock drills that we have on the Flexi Rock and Smart Rock Epiroc rig family. So if you are using yellow on yellow, as we say, yellow Epiroc rigs and the yellow rock drilling tools, you are really set up for a good productivity and overall safety in your operations.
And good service life, as you mentioned. Yeah. Good. That takes us to the third benefit, which is quicker rod changes.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell us about that? And we're not going to show them, but you can tell us.
Yeah. So the rod changes, those ones are really where you get the high use from the unique thread profile itself. Just looking at the thread with your naked eye, it might look like any normal thread. But for the TW thread, here we have really put in a lot of engineering, and we have a patent on it as well. So it doesn't only protect your bottom line and business, but it will also protect your operators, because of this unique thread profile. You will also avoid, how to say, these premature failures, etc. And we know that these rods are quite heavy. The larger they are, the more tough it is to handle them. So from a work environment perspective, using this system is really a great benefit. So again, looking at that thread profile, it will also help you to really uncouple and couple your rods. So that is much, let's say, less time spent on doing that.
And this obviously must be appreciated from our operators using the tools, or?
Yeah, I would say the drillers definitely, how to say, love all the benefits, because again, the drillers are the ones using the products, and they really benefit directly in the field. But of course, also the quarry manager or the mine manager will enjoy it a lot, because you will have the safety KPIs and a very good bottom line in your financial KPIs.
Great, there you have it. Those are the three main benefits, very well explained. Thank you for that. Is there anything that we have forgotten to mention? We talked in the beginning about, that we can see in front of us here, is the TW60. Is there anything special with that one compared to the rest of the family in the T drill string?
Yeah, so the TW60, that is the one where we really have a patent and a completely unique thread. So it's only from Epiroc you can find this solution, and that is really where we see a major difference compared to competitors when it comes to all of these benefits. How many drill meters you get, how much service life you get, etc., and how easy it is to use the system from a driller's point of view.
Great, and I think you actually summarized the three main benefits again there, which is great. I think that's the end of this A Closer Look. Thank you so much for coming and sharing all of this with us, and you can find more information on our website, but also reach out to the product specialist, right, if they want to have more information. Great, thank you so much for coming, and thank you all for watching.
Yeah, thank you.